Here we go again, guys. So certified. Finna do another quick little taste test. That's the last 3 KitKats I got. So you know what that means. Time to go find some more things to taste test after this video. I'm gonna go left or right. Yeah, I'm gonna go left or right. Already got them opened up. Quick, easier access. Haven't tasted them. Just cut the bag open. So we're gonna flip the first one over. Take a. Oh, it's pink. Okay, nice one. Take one of them out. Ooh, it's like strawberry. Yeah, it's like strawberry yogurt or something. Mm. Mm. Barely have a taste to it. It got a really strong smell, but no taste really. Like the first little bite, you can taste something, then it goes away really fast. Well, it's not nasty, but I don't have a taste to compare it to, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Because it's like there's no taste really. You can taste the wafer in it, but the the chocolate or whatever flavor coating they have on the outside doesn't really have a taste. So on to the next one. I was actually hoping for the taste to be a little bit stronger since the smell would just like even when I just pulled the paper was like overwhelming. You could smell it really good, but can't taste anything. What is this? Oh, that looks good. Pop one out. Smell like white chocolate and something. It might be cookies and cream. That's what it looks like. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah, that's cookies and cream. I'm a big fan of cookies and cream. I'm gonna finish them off, but this one takes one at a time first. Gotta get the taste out of my mouth. Don't want to interfere with the other flavors of the next one. It's Thanksgiving. Let's see. It's probably gonna taste like maybe sweet potato pie, pecan pie, um, pumpkin pie. I guess some type of Thanksgiving thing. This would look like or is this a Halloween theme actually? Like a witch hat. Might be a Halloween theme. So it's probably like pumpkin pie. Um, what else is Thanksgiving? I mean Halloween. Maybe candy corn flavor. I don't know. What type of thing? Halloween would be. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Is that like a sweet potato? I hope not. I'm not a big fan of sweet potatoes. I don't know. Might as well taste it. Hmm. This might be pumpkin. I never had pumpkin before, but it's not sweet potato. Hmm. Is this sweet potato? I think the wrong color is sweet potato. I don't know. I'm the biggest fan of it. I didn't rate this one yet, but I said 5 out of 10. This is a 9 out of 10, but I like cookies and cream. This, I give it a 3 out of 10. I can't really pinpoint the flavor, but it's not something I would eat. Talking hands. I know I can get probably some of the names show up if I Google Translate it and stuff like that. But I like not knowing and trying to guess the flavor, so that's why I do it like that. But I will finish off these two. This one I'm probably just gonna throw away because I'm not really feeling the flavor. But I have one more thing to taste test. It's an energy drink. Probably gonna do that in a short though. But don't forget to like, subscribe, hit notification bell. Check out my Instagram at so certified YT. No spaces, I believe. Leave some comments on what you might want me to try to taste test next. I'm gonna order a few things offline that I've been seeing and wanting to try, so I'll have that coming in a few weeks. Other than that, stay tuned for more. Make sure you got everything turned on, notifications and all that stuff. Be ready for more videos. I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to get a schedule going, but I don't know. Very hard for me to start a schedule. But yeah, till next time, so certified.